Guys, it's Mr. Stafford here. Doing a little troubleshooting with some of your guys' computers. I know that we had talked about drawing circles on your annotation or for annotations on your worksheets, but what is happening is if you don't have a touch screen, you don't have the draw feature in Word. So I'm going to show you a way to work around that, and it is fairly straightforward. So don't stress out too much. All you need to do is go to Insert, and when you click on the Insert tab, you're going to see shapes down here. Okay, yours may look a little different because mine is a touch screen, so it's going to pop up slightly different. But you should have something on there that says Shapes, and if you click the little caret down, you have two options. You have the freeform scribble, which I'll show you how that works here first. Okay, this one's going to be all you have to do is circle the word. It's pretty straightforward. It's not terribly clean. I mean, it's going to be bumpy. That's okay if that's the way you choose to do it, though. Not a big deal. If you want to use a different way, a little cleaner version, go back into Shapes again, and you're going to click on either the square, the oval, and so on. Any of these works. Click it. Start in the top left and drag across, and it circles it. You'll notice it's going to make it solid. That's a super easy fix. If you go to Shape Fill at the top, come down here to No Fill, and there it is. Now it's circled without the filling. So those are both options for you to be able to circle the words that you need if you don't have a touch screen. Your highlighting is still the same, and so is your underlining will still be the same. If you have questions, the video is going to be on YouTube. As you guys are going to see, you can rewatch it. You can message us on Teams, or you can text or email me. All right. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully this helps, and I hope you guys have a great day and go nice.